Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix the problem of fail to connect to server after 3 attempts on FiveM. Now this has happened to everybody that's playing GTA RP or FiveM in general. So let's see how to fix it. Now you have to check a few things on your computer before trying to fix the actual problem. The first thing is if you are using a VPN. If you are using a VPN like NordVPN, ProtonVPN, etc., maybe it will interfere with your internet connection and with the FiveM servers. So check that. If you have a problem with your VPN, just disable it and then rerun FiveM and try to connect to a server 5 times. Why not 1 or 2 times? Because 1 or 2 times maybe the problem will still occur because it happens occasionally for no reason. And just try to restart the server 5 times and see if the problem still occurs. If the problem still occurs, just check your firewall. If you are using a firewall that may be interfering with FiveM, just disable it and redo the same process. Now, if this still happens, if you still have the problem, just check your internet connection. So, a weak or unstable internet connection can prevent you from connecting to servers. If you have a very low speed, then maybe you are not just sending enough packets to the server to be able to connect. So make sure your internet connection is stable basically, and try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection if you are on Wi-Fi. If you have a gateway modem, it's basically a hardware device that combines the function of both a modem and a router. So you just have to restart the gateway. Okay, so it will work every time without a fail. Now for the second thing that you might want to do is to flush your DNS cache. So open CMD and run it as an administrator and type ipconfig slash flush DNS. So I'll show you right now. So CMD like that. Oh, right, you have to open it in administrator type. So right click, run as administrator, and here type so ipconfig slash flush DNS and hit enter and you'll be good. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.